is always being named after its fruit. A tree where oranges come, we say it's an orange tree. A tree where apples come, we say it's an apple tree. Why so? Because fruits are the things that the tree offers to this world. Similarly, an individual is known to this world by his or her profession. He is an officer. You are a teacher. She is a doctor. Profession becomes the identity of the person, because this is the service that an individual offers to this world.
And she has proved to be a good asset to our school also. Many of our staff and students have been benefited by her treatment. Thank you, doctor. Thank you, Chand.
A doctor in her, she builds relationships, and I can see the happy faces in you. And that itself gives us a positive note, which accelerates all the medicines which she gives it to us. And I have felt that. And also the constant follow-ups, and she motivating us to follow what she is actually instructing us is actually something very, very important thing for us as a doctor, because she is not actually as a doctor to us, like she is more than a friend to us, and then that is the reason we are here today. And thank you so much, ma'am, for making us so happy this evening. It's a pleasure to be here. We wish you all the very best in life, and without homeopathy there is no health. That way also it can be read as because KNOW also is NO. It sounds same. No homeopathy, there is no health. That way, without no homeopathy, no meta, no homeopathy.
A good takeaway for me and for our institution also. We'll surely pass around the word, and hearty congratulations to you once again, ma'am. Thank you.
And the problem was solved. Now, this is something like, and see the fun of it, there is no medicine in that medicine.
Whatever she tells about her profession, as if she feels it. So that shows that she has internalized it, that this is something which is very good for the people, which is this is something with which I need to help people, I need to reach out people. And I wish Meeta, who looks like a younger sister to me, and I really wish that with your vivacious personality, with your very loving attitude, with your feeling from the depth of your heart for the people, you do very well, and let God provide all the strength for you to cure everybody.
Thank you, sir, for your insights and also your blessings to Dr. Meeta. I think all of us stand testimonial to who she is here. She is absolutely amazing. I call her the miracle woman.
Leela